Hello everyone, this is Berlin with Locks by B. I am back with another tutorial. On this video, I will show you how to prep your hair before you wash it. Some people like to braid, but I don't really like the braiding method. I like to do the two-strand because it's a little bit easier when you're removing it. So what you do, you just two-strand it to the tip of the hair, you fold the hair under, and then you place a rubber band or whatever you're comfortable with. Make sure that the two-strand is not too tight where you're unable to get in there to wash. So you want to make it as loose as possible so that you have enough space in between to get in there when you're washing your hair.
Drama, hurry up, come Friday, I can't stand this job.
So I'm using the comb to loosen up some of the dandruff in her hair.
Come 4:30. The only thing I'm thinking about is I'm gonna be off my feet. Yeah. They working me to the ground. Oh, they better get that money's worth, 'cause after this I'm clocking out. Rich kids, what a dream. I don't come from money. My family don't got a lot of money. I'm just chasing paper. My boss is rich. Everybody hates her. I just think it's funny how fast I'm clocking out after the day is done. You're standing there like you don't know what to do. I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm out of it. I'm gone. I've been on my feet since 9 and I'm tired. I leave after 9 to 5. I don't like the way my boss just looked at me, want to make me do something. I'm out of it. I'm gone. And I only took this job to get by. I leave after 9 to 5. Come on. Come on, y'all. I'm getting ready to go. I'm going home. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go. Come home. Yeah, go home. Yeah. You're standing there like you don't know what to do. I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm out of it. I don't know what's wrong. I've been on my feet since 9. And I'm tired. I leave after 9 to 5. I don't like the way my boss just looked at me, want to make me do something. I'm out of it. And I only took this job to get please. Home. Yeah. Go home. Yeah. You're standing there like you don't know what to do. Like the way my boss just looked at me, want to make me do something. I'm out of it. And I only took this job to get by. I leave after 9 to 5. Ain't nothing changed. My boss is bringing the drama. Hurry up, come Friday. I can't stand this job. Oh, today you found something better. Gonna be
Once again, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.